Hello everyone, welcome back to a small snippet video today. So recently I've been working on a small little project to build out a website for a user and ran into this issue with Elementor. So if we go to the site that I'm working on, this is Elementor, it's already installed and everything. If we go to the site though, when I'm trying to edit on Elementor, you get this spinning cycle of death basically. It just stays here and it just doesn't connect. It just keeps going and going and going. So you might experience this, especially this is a problem I think when you switch over to a GoDaddy server. I don't know what is it with them, but when you switch over to it, you encounter this issue. So here's a real fix for it. You want to go back to Elementor and you need to go into the advanced section and look for where it says switch editor loader method, right? I don't know why this is what happens, but change this from disable to enable. Okay. And then you want to scroll down and set changes on here. And then once that is saved, then I want you to go back to where you were before and just refresh. You can refresh the tab that you were on or go back and try to get it to work. So, for example, you can I just refreshed this page, so now it is actually loading and it's going to resolve to the page that I was going to. So now I'm going to go back to where I was and try to do the edit again with Elementor. And instead of this cycle of this continuous black screen without being resolved, the page is now loading. So give it a moment and it should populate here shortly and then change. And then there you go. So now it actually allowed me to go in and make the edits. Weird stuff. Don't know why. Don't know why this is an issue, but it took some time to figure this thing out. So I decided to share with you guys. I hope this is helpful for you. And by all means, let me know what you think in the comments. Appreciate you guys and have a good day.